Hi, my name's Alex McColgan. I run the Astrum Space YouTube channel. I recently had solar panels put into my garden. One of the reasons I chose solar energy was a few reasons really. Sustainable energy, which I kind of like, but I also really like the fact that I specifically asked to have these solar panels so that I can make my office space blackout proof, because for my job I really need to be online all the time, and if there was a power outage that would be pretty bad for me. So I have that protection. But also, it's a nice investment in the future. The cost of electricity is going up, and I'm a big fan of investing in the future and reaping dividends for years to come. I had a bit of an odd requirement for these solar panels. The solar panels aren't on my roof like most other solar panels that you'll see. So I spoke to a lot of solar companies, and a lot of them weren't very maneuverable in their position to help me out with that. When I spoke to Samu, he was very happy to come and have a look at the situation, see what the best solution was for my needs, and now I've got nice solar panels south facing on the floor in my garden. From the moment I spoke to Samu, it was quite a smooth process really. What I really enjoyed about talking to Samu was I didn't have to chase him. With a lot of these other companies, I would phone them and maybe they wouldn't respond for a week and have to phone them again. And it was just, I was like, why am I having to chase to give you my business? Whereas Samu was very communicative, was interested in the job. So when I spoke to him, he came by within a week to come and have a look at the property. He sent me some proposals of different ideas that we could do. Some involved like putting solar panels on the wall of the house, on the south facing wall. Finally settled on one, which we did. I then got him back another time to come do the blackout protection. I have since extended my driveway a bit to enable more solar panels to be on the floor, so I've actually now been able to take the ones off the wall and put them on the floor. And it was really quite smooth, I just asked once and Sam would come and sort it out, or send people to come and sort it out. Since the solar panels got installed, I have noticed a vast reduction in my electricity bill, which has been a nice plus, especially in the summer months. In fact, I'm exporting a lot to the grid, which is really nice. Obviously you get some cloudy days here and there, but you're still producing electricity during them, just about covering the needs of the house. I haven't had a blackout since. As I mentioned, just looking forward to the future now. I can be confident and reassured that I will continue to get power no matter what else happens with the power grid. It's a nice sustainable solution. I've even got an electric car, which has been basically powering my electric car with the power of the sun. Being able to drive around almost for free. That's been a big benefit. But yeah, going forward, my expenses have been reduced a lot. So my outgoings are looking a lot more healthy in that regard. Yeah, it's something I would recommend for anyone that has the initial capital to put into it. You'll reap the rewards for many years to come. To any other business owners looking to invest in solar power, I can only recommend it really. It's sustainable, it'll produce power for you whether you're thinking about it or not. It just helps with the outgoings all the time. And the cash flow is obviously a lot better. If we're talking about energy just in general, solar is good because you set it up and you forget about it. There's no moving parts. It's very hard for it to break down. Since I've had it up, I think it's been over a year now, I've just enjoyed the benefits of having it. I haven't had to be phoning up and saying, why isn't this part working, why isn't that part working? Yeah, it's just very low maintenance, low effort, and it's just done.